Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 10 in Microsoft Excel, and today we are going to start with formulas. So we're going to start with formulas. Excel is such a powerful tool in performing calculation, just like your calculator. It's a powerful tool. So we are going to start with formula today. So let me open a new sheet for this particular lesson. Alright, okay, so now, alright, so let's start. So when you want to perform your addition, so you use your plus, okay, so that one is for addition, and minus sign for subtraction, and multiply, you use your asterisk for multiplication. This particular sign is what you use. You want to do 2 times 2, this is the sign that you use, asterisk. That's the sign that is understood. So, and if you want to do your division, you use this your slash. To do your division, you use your forward slash to perform your division. And if you want to do do your raised to power, something like 2 raised to power 2, you are going to use this sign here. This particular sign is what you are going to use. So to do your 2 raised to power, so 2 raised to power 2, it means 2 times 2. So why 2 raised to power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that is what it means. So this is the sign you are going to use. Plus for your addition, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk for your multiplication, forward slash for your division, while this one exponential for exponential, this sign for exponential or raised to power. So that's the sign that you are going to be using. All right, if you want to perform any calculation. All right, so I can see my own this sign here, but at the top of 6 on my keyboard. I don't know, maybe your own keyboard, systems are different. Your own keyboard may be different to mine. So, but I see this sign, this my particular one, at the top of number 6. So I'll just hold shift so that I can be able to use it, because if I press only 6, it's 6 that will show, but if I press shift then press my 6, it will bring out this particular sign. So at the top of 6, number 6, that's where I saw this particular sign. So make sure you look out for it too in your keyboard, on your keyboard. All right, so now number one thing you must take note of when you want to perform calculation, all formulas in Excel must begin with an equal sign. You must begin all formula in Excel with your equal sign. It is very, very important. That's the number one. You can't just do 2 times 2. Excel will not do it for you. Only if you put your equal sign first. You need to put your equal sign first. All right, so now let's now say I want to perform something. Let's quickly say equal to 2 times 2, and I press my enter. Exactly say 4. Can you see 4? So equals to 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5, enter, that is 15. So you have to always put your equal to, and when you click on any of these results, you will see what's made up of your answer inside the formula bar. See formula bar here, we call it formula bar. So you will see what's made up of your, then you can even change it here. So if you change any values here, if you change any number here, it will take effect on this one too. You can see as I click on this one, let me click out again. As I click on it and I click on it like this, so if I change it to 3, so and press enter, it will change to 6, which is equal to 2 times 3. Then I can still double click on it like this so as to put any value. I hope you get that. So the same thing with your minus, your times, your division, your exponential. All right, so let's try the exponential. 2 raised to power 3, that is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. All right, let's try it. So 2 raised to power 3. So let's press, so let's see whether it will give us 8. You see, it's 8. It give us 8. That is raised to power 2 raised to power 3. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. So you can do it, but what you need to have in mind is multiplication first. What you need to have in mind is equal sign first. So I hope you understand that. All right, so now you can still do cell references. All right, so what do we mean by self references? Self references is just like whenever you are trying to make references to all these cells now. So let me quickly explain something here. Now, for example, we have, let me enter some data here. Let me enter some data. So let's say I put 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so all right, let's say we put it like that. For example, these are my number that I want, so let's put maybe 10 here, just for example, so that I'll create cell reference for you. All right, so what I did here is not a trick. I used the fill, and I've explained how to use the fill in the one of the lessons. So what I do here is just to see the sign and draw down. It will complete all the rest with 10 instead of entering them. So I taught you that in one of the lessons. All right, so now what do we mean by cell references? All right, so now this is what A1, this number 3 is A1, abi. Okay, so now this one is B1, abi, and this one is A2, this one is B2, right? And so on and so forth like that. So we still have A3, A3. I hope you understand this too. A3, B3. You can see the name here, name box. B3, A4, B4. So the rest, and this one C1. You can see the way how they name them. D1, B2. You can see. All right, now cell references. Instead of entering the number, you can use your cell addresses here to make a calculation. So what you just need is to first make sure that you enter equal sign. equal sign. All right, so now I want to add my A1. You can see it has circled with blue this thing. A1 I have plus B1. This is B1 now, this 10, the first 10. So B1, you see, so you can see it. So when I press enter, it will give me 13, because you see A1 which is 3 plus B10 B1 which is 10, so it gives me 13. So that is what we call cell references. You can use the name of each cell to do your calculation. I hope you understand that. And another thing is you can